papers to you, Lordship.
You may do so.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sonia.
My Lord, so the notice of motion indicates that accused 1 and 2, the first and the second applicants, seek your recusal from the matter. These are founding affidavit by the first applicant, accused number 1, in support of the application, and I propose to take the Lordship through the affidavit. He says the following: I, the undersigned Timothy Omotoso, Yaba State, under oath, I'm a major male and the first applicant herein. The facts contained in this affidavit are, unless otherwise stated or it appears otherwise from the context, within my personal knowledge and to the best of my belief, both true and correct. I'm presently on trial together with the second applicant herein before the Honourable Mr. Justice Makaula in the above-mentioned case. I'm accused number 1 in the case, Mrs. Lusando Solani. The second applicant is accused number 2 in the case. All references hereinafter are to what has transpired in the case. The case is partly heard before the Honourable Mr. Justice Makaula and has been postponed until 22 October 2018 for further hearing. One state witness, namely Ms. Cheryl Zondi, has testified on behalf of the state thus far. She is still under cross-examination by my attorney, Mr. Peter Daubermann. Mr. Peter Daubermann is also representing both my accused. For reasons which are not relevant to this application, Ms. Zondi has been excused from attending court for the time being, and I'm advised the evidence of another state witness is due to be interposed commencing on 22 October 2018. Ms. Zondi is the complainant in counts 19 to 20. On 17 October 2018, shortly before postponing the case until 22 October 2018 and excusing Ms. Zondi from attending court for the time being, the Honourable Presiding Judge addressed Ms. Zondi in the following terms while she was still on the witness stand. Court, regarding your exams, on behalf of the court, we wish you all the luck. You must pass your exams. Thank you. That is your future. You have to concentrate on your future and forget about what is happening here. It will take its own course. Thank you, Your Worship. You are not doing this for yourself that is coming to this court. It is not about yourself. It is about justice. Yes, Your Worship. So leave everything to us and then go and write your exams and concentration on your examination. Thank you, Your Worship. Good luck. Thank you. The deponent goes on. My perception is that in making the comments highlighted in bold above, 1, the Honourable Presiding Judge has already made up his mind and found that Ms. Zondi has come to court to testify not for herself, but as a crusader in a quest for justice. 2, the Honourable Presiding Judge is overtly sympathetic towards Ms. Zondi and her cause. 3, the Honourable Presiding Judge has openly identified and aligned himself with Ms. Zondi's cause. 4, the Honourable Presiding Judge has already decided that Ms. Zondi's version is true and accepted same without hearing all the evidence or argument. 5, the Honourable Presiding Judge has already decided to mete out justice on behalf of Ms. Zondi. 6, the Honourable Presiding Judge has already decided to convict and sentence me and the second applicant. 7, the Honourable Presiding Judge is biased in favour of Ms. Zondi and the prosecution. 8, the Honourable Presiding Judge is prejudiced against me and the second applicant. 9, the Honourable Presiding Judge is and will not be impartial. And 10, I and the second applicant will in the circumstances not receive a fair trial before the Honourable Presiding Judge. In my belief and respectful submission, the said comments by the Honourable Presiding Judge presuppose an ultimate outcome favourable to Ms. Zondi and admit of no reasonable interpretation other than that which I have placed thereon. In my respectful submission, the Honourable Presiding Judge has unfortunately and in the circumstances disqualified himself from continuing to preside over the matter. I only seek a fair trial before an impartial judge and justice. I do not make this application lightly. I know that my trial is likely to be delayed by the replacement of the presiding judge, and since I'm in custody awaiting trial, that I will be prejudiced thereby. In the circumstances, I respectfully apply for the Honourable Mr. Justice Makaula to recuse himself. Signed under oath, Timothy Omotoso. The second applicant's affidavit is in the same vein. My Lord, she says in her affidavit that she has read the founding affidavit by accused number 1 and that she
confirms it.
She has the same perception. So I'm not going to take your Lordship through that.
Thank you.
And then, my Lord, since these papers were drafted today, your Lordship made certain remarks this morning, in fact. And one of those remarks was that the accused must be given an opportunity to prove their innocence in this case. That can only mean that in your Lordship's eyes they are presumed to be guilty at this stage. Otherwise they would not have to be given an opportunity to prove their innocence. But that is not the main point that I rely on. The accused, applicants 1 and 2, do rely on that and have expressed their outrage at that comment, that it should even be suggested that they might be required to prove their innocence. I want to refer your Lordship immediately to the test for recusal, and it is very well set out in the Mulaudzi decision. This is Mulaudzi, spelled M-U-L-A-U-D-Z-I versus Old Mutual Assurance Company, South Africa Limited, 2017 ZASCA 88, which was delivered on the 6th of June 2017. This decision is available online, my Lord. This is a decision of 5 judges of the
6th of June?
6th of June 2017, my Lord. This is a decision by no less than 5 esteemed judges of the Supreme Court of Appeal, where they refer in paragraphs 46 to 48 to the applicable legal
Can I have the citation again, Mr. You say it's a
ZASCA, my Lord.
Yes.
88.
88.
Yes, 6 June 2017.
Yes, thank you.